So today I'm opening up a box from my friend B at Sorcery Soap. I have two of these to open. I don't know which one of these is the magic ones. Okay, I think this is my order. This is my order. You just peek. Okay, this is my order. Hold on. Let me get the other box. Because she had asked me how would I feel if she sent me some of the creations she had made with her soap dough, and if I would be interested in repurposing them in something else. And of course I said, oh my God, yes. So we are going to open them together. Dear Wit, thank you for accepting my soap creations. This helped me know what to get rid of and gave me a great clarity. Do as you will with these with many blessings. I hope you find inspiration in here. Okay, that's super exciting. Let's see. Ooh, look how cute they are. Little tiny gingerbreads with little tiny hearts. They're very cute. Oh my goodness, look at all these little art. And she kind of like packed them by like little, so your little artist palettes here with little pumpkins. Oh my goodness, little mortar and pestles. Oh my God, those are so cute. And they traveled really well. Little gnomes. Oh my God, the little gnomes. Now I have to do a woodland soap. Look how cute they are. And look at the little Red Riding Hood. Can you guys see her? She's so cute. Little snails. I definitely have homes for little snails. And if you know me and you know why I'm saying that, then keep it a secret, because I don't think she follows me a whole bunch on Instagram. Little cardinals. Got a couple cardinals that lost a beak. That's okay. We can do some little cardinal surgery. Ladybugs. Got some nice candy corns. Her candy corns always look so real. Mine never look this good. These look fantastic. Oh, and there's some chickens. Some chickens and some frogs with crowns. We've got some hammers and some beautiful shields. Oh, and a little pipe. Oh my goodness. This is like literally a treasure box of joy in here. Let's see, what's this? Somebody's loose. Who got loose? A little scorpion. Him's very cute. I wonder if you're supposed to be out of your hole. Are you supposed to be out of your hole? I don't know if you are or not. We'll tuck you over here. Because someone else looks like they escaped too. Who escaped over here? Naughty children. We have Ron. We have Hermione. I think Harry made it onto a soap, but let me see who else is over here. Oh, I think Harry's lost his head. That's a little macabre. Oh, there it is. Here we are. Oh, wait, no, that's just part of it. Here's Harry. Here's a headless critter. I don't know who this is supposed to be, but they're headless. We'll find it. Maybe the scorpion ate it. Okay, I'm gonna go through the rest of these and I'll be back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so you saw me take out the pumpkins and the little shields. So we got the little brooms, which are still like one of my most favorite things she's ever made. We've got the ladybugs and some sprinkles. There's some candy canes. There's a little cottage stuff and the shells. And then loosely packaged, look at all these little faces. Look how cute they are. And all right, the internet's about to hate my guts. Don't come after me. This isn't my fault. Look at all the treasures I got. Aren't they amazing? I mean, just incredible detail, incredible attention to detail, and I mean, they're all perfect. They're all perfect. And I mean, look at the little steampunk guys. Look how cute they are. Oh my God, and a little key on the raven. Just so perfect. And these cookies I'm gonna have to keep in here because my husband's definitely gonna try to eat them. And then little Raggedy Ann, Dorothy, the troublemakers. And then these beautiful pieces here that I just love so much. So spooky, so perfect. So these are all of my treasures. You will be seeing these in soap. I will share them with the world by making them into soap. Exactly how, I'm not exactly sure yet. I've already got a couple ideas. I'm just like brewing with inspiration and excitement, and I'm a little emotional. This is really, really wonderful and really sweet. And I love you, B. Thank you so much for trusting me with this and for passing on your genius and sharing it with me.
sending it out in the world so that I could send it out in the world. So yeah, love you, B, and thank you. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. All right, bye.